to my channel. It's Theresia, and for today's video I have an Oufer Jewellery video unboxing video for you guys. So this is the Evil Eye collection, and I have had a wee kind of look in here just to see what's in here, and guys, there is a lot. So this is the new Evil Eye collection, and as you guys know, I have a lot of piercings. I did have my nipple pierced, but that has closed over because I had to take that one out. But I've got my belly pierced, I've got all my face, all my ears, everything is pierced. So I have a nice wee haul here. I got this theme in gold because I've been really vibing with gold jewelry recently. This is also an Oufer Jewellery piece, and there's a few others that are in my ears that are Oufer Jewellery as well. So I'm excited to add to the collection. So this one here is one of the first ones that we have. So let's pull her up. So this is the, what do we have here? That's just like a clip nose ring. Also it comes with a wee gift. There's a lot of gifts in here of just like these plain little things. So for the price point, getting a wee gift as well with every purchase, like, you cannot go wrong. I just find that with nails, packaging is hard to open, so I'm like, ugh, just trying to open it up. So that is it here. That's so sweet. So this must be a twisty one. Yes, that's like a little twist. I might actually just like put that in my nose as well. Alrighty, so we have this one here. Just such a cute little like nose piercing. Like, let me just put this in. It's a nice like ring size too. It's not too short. My whole face is just going to be covered in these. My other piercing on the other side is like a newer one, so I'm not going to be putting any nose rings in that, but I'm going to be so evil-eyed by the end of this. There we go. All right, I'm just going to bend that. So that is the what did I say? That is the Evil Eye nose piercing in there, and that's really cute. I like how little and dainty it is, so you can still have that pattern there, but also like it's not a huge ring on my face, because sometimes when you've got the septum ring and a ring up here, it can be a bit too much. This is like a nice one. Then we've got this septum horseshoe as well, so this one will be really cute. And this one also comes with another gift. This is the same one as the other one. And then this is this one here, this little horseshoe. It's like really pretty. Then we have, oh, so we've got one of these, which is, I'm trying to think what one this is for. Is this like a small navel? It's almost like a small navel Evil Eye. See? It's like a really teeny tiny one. That one would also like go good in a lip, I think, as well. Oh, and then we've got some nipple bars here, which I'm really tempted to re-pierce my nipples, because this is just a really cute little nipple bar set. And I'm like, maybe it could be a tongue set, you know, if you're feeling brave. And then this is another belly bar. Look at this belly bar. This belly bar is so freaking adorable. I really, really love that. Like, I really want to wear that one. It's just going to be super cute, you know. And then we have this one here, which is, what is this one? Oh, this is a twisty one. So we got another wee gift as well. Another wee gift there. And then also this twisty one. So this one can go in, like, say, if you had that part of your ear, you can twist it in there so it wraps around your ear. I really like the twisty ones. I used to have twisty ones all the time. But this is really cute. Like, especially with the Evil Eye pattern. Like, if you guys, like, I've got the, what have I got here? I don't have an Evil Eye on my Pandora. I thought I did. I did that. Amazing. Man, we have the industrial bar. Yes. So I've got an industrial here. And this is not Oufer Jewellery. This is another one. But the gold has all come off. So I'm excited to put this one in. Look at it. It's so cute. So this is the industrial here. So I'm just going to open this one up. I wonder how it goes on. Some industrial bars are quite hard to put in because of the thing that's in the middle. So I'm excited to see how this one goes in, because the eye is just on a little thread there and just moves around. So even if you got it and you didn't like the eye pattern, but the eye pattern is gorgeous with the gems in it. That's so gorgeous. Like, that's going to look so good in my ear. So let's pull this bar out. Just pull this one out here. There's only a few more things to go as well. I love my wee, like, Oufer Jewellery hauls. All right. So there's my ear here. Let's see if both sides come off, because if both balls, yes, both balls come off, that makes it way easier to put in, because then you don't need to fidget with this off. So the fact that both sides have balls is really, really good. Okay. I realized that I haven't even taken a photo of all these, so I'm gonna have to take a photo with them like out of the packets, even though I've just put them back in my body. Let's pull it along there. Just gotta find the little life hack for industrials. If you find you struggle with your putting your thing in, get one with a screw ball on each end. Sometimes companies glue them, but Oufer Jewellery don't, which is really great. They don't glue them down, which is awesome. Look, that is so cute. See how that just like pieces the whole ear? Like that just makes the ear look so much better. Like look at all that. That's really cool. Okay, next few items we have here. Oh, we've got a couple of gifts in this bag. So look, there's an extra gift. This is a like belly bar that's really cute. And then we have these here. These are like nipple bars, and I think that they're actually, to the touch, they are changing. So they must be mood nipple bars. How cool. And then we have here, we've got another gift in here. This is the last item that we have here. So we've got another wee gift, which is a silver ring. Can't go wrong with that. But look, it's like a ringed septum that I can get behind. The horseshoe I'm not super big fans of, but the ringed ones are so cute. So I'm excited. I want to put this one in as well. Okay. Is this one a hinge? Or yes, this one's a hinge. So that one's a wee hinge as well. So this one's also a hinge. Just gotta find it. Oh, there we go. Out of my face. Sorry, it's like changing all my piercings on camera. This looks like this is going to be a little baby ring too. So that's going to be really like petite in my nose, which I love baby rings as well. I just gotta clip it. It's a bit of a hard one to clip. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Oh, see, that's nice. That is nice. And so you've got the evil eye in the septum as well. She's a nice thick, like thickness in the septum as well. But I think that's actually really cool. Like the septum that I'm like all like evil eyed like out. Like look at me go. I feel like I need to put more in. Like that in my belly would be really cute. I'm like, what do I have in my belly at the minute? That one in my belly. So currently this one here. I'm like, is the camera even on it? There we go. So I currently have this one in my belly. So if we change to this one is also Oufer Jewellery as well. That's really cute. I feel like it's not going to get caught on anything as well. I'm like, sorry, it's a really unflattering angle. That's really cute. Okay, so that one is freaking adorable. Like, that's, like, love. Like, okay, tops, definitely belly piercing. I love this evil eye in the ear. As for, like, the nose piercings, the nose one here is really cute, the nose ring. And if you kind of got sick of it, you could just, like, tuck it in your face. And it is a simple ring. And I do really like the septum as well. What else do I really like? The nipple bars. These are just so gorgeous. Like, look at these. They're so cute. But yeah, so there is in the collection, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've got 5, 6, 7. There is 7 items in this collection, and I think that that's really freaking awesome that there's 7 different things you can use, and all, like, for whatever piercing you've got, you can still have this evil eye like pattern, because I feel like this type of piercing can go anywhere. This type of piercing can go in any ear. That one's very specific to industrial, and belly bars could also be put in ears, but there's just a piercing like shape and where are my words? There's a piercing like style, a piercing style with this pattern in every style. This pattern is in every style, and that's what I really, really like about this collection. I love the pattern of the evil eye as well, because, you know, I do get a little bit superstitious. So the fact that I'm wearing something with the evil eye means that I'll be protected and means that I'll be safe. but it's not looking at me, so it's not directing the evil eye at me, it's not directing it at you. This is no negative energy or anything if you guys believe in that. This is me wearing it to protect myself, and I just think it's a really cool collection because you can have a subtle evil eye like this. I can just put my hair over it and you wouldn't even know it was there. So I really, really like this collection, and the fact that there's like the pattern is on so many different things. The little diamantes that are everywhere are just so cute. The blue of the evil eye, the gold, it's very luxurious, very cute. But that was my wee haul there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think and what should I get a haul of next. But until next time, I love you so much and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.